Hello and welcome to the final video in our Blockchain 101 series. In this video, we will be discussing non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and how they are transforming the concept of digital ownership. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. As we move towards an increasingly digital world, the idea of digital ownership becomes more and more important. NFTs provide a solution to this issue by allowing for unique, one-of-a-kind digital assets to be created and owned. So, what are NFTs exactly? At their core, NFTs are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. They are created on a blockchain network, usually on the Ethereum blockchain, which allows for their ownership to be tracked and verified. NFTs can be used to represent all sorts of digital assets, from art and music to video game items and collectibles. NFTs are purchased and sold like any other cryptocurrency, and their value is based on supply and demand. The difference is that instead of being interchangeable like other cryptocurrencies, each NFT is unique and has its own set of characteristics that make it one of a kind. The use cases for NFTs are vast and varied. They are already being used in the art world to sell and authenticate digital art pieces, and in the gaming industry to represent rare in-game items. They can also be used for collectibles and unique digital experiences. One of the most exciting things about NFTs is that they allow creators to monetize their digital creations in ways that were previously impossible. Artists can sell their digital art pieces as NFTs, allowing them to retain ownership and earn royalties whenever the piece is sold or traded. NFTs can also be used in supply chain management to track and verify the authenticity of products. By assigning an NFT to each item in a supply chain, companies can ensure that products are genuine and have not been tampered with along the way. As you can see, NFTs are revolutionizing the way we think about digital ownership, and the possibilities for their use are endless. Whether it's for art, gaming, or supply chain management, NFTs provide a secure and unique way to represent digital assets. We hope you've enjoyed our Blockchain 101 series and learned something new about blockchain technology and its applications. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos, and thanks for watching.